Hello, my name is Chris Wiegeraat. I'm Commercial Director of GoBright. I'd like to tell you something more about our hardware proposition. If I just book my desk and I'm somewhere in the building looking for my desk and I enter the floor which I booked my desk at and I say on my mobile phone, find my desk, the hardware unit will start blinking. So in that case you can easily find your desk instead of watching on your mobile phone. And the reason that we have this little light, which we call the GoBright Glow, is that if we have a unit which is nicely designed into the tabletop, you can't see it from a large distance because there are some obstacles in its way. So this is just an extension light which changes together with the main unit to show the occupancy status and also see the availability from a long distance. And this is quite unique because we didn't come across any other proposition who offers these kinds of options all in one package. And we had this unit introduced in 2018, and since that we had a lot of questions what you can do with it and if it's possible to change some features. And one of the main important questions was, hey, is it possible to get the name on the display of the one who made the booking for the desk? Well, with this particular unit that was not possible, but we introduced this year the GoBright Interact. And the Interact has a nice display on it, full color as you can see, and it also contains the name of the one who booked the desk. So it has a menu which you can, for example, go to the Do Not Disturb button, and that's very important because that gives a blue light, which means, hey, I'm behind my desk, but I'm not available. I'm perhaps in a Teams meeting or whatsoever. So if I use this color, please don't contact me because, yeah, I need to be not disturbed. And also on the mapping again, if you look for me where I am, you can see that I am on the 6th floor, but I'm not available. So it has no use to go up and it will save you a lot of time.